video is going to be life changing for you. So what is today's thought? Today's thought is that we can't change our future, but we can change our habits. Can't we? Can't we change our habits? We can change our habits. It is up to us. It is in our control. Changing habits are in our control. Dishonesty always makes us down. Don't think with the help of dishonesty we can up. We can never be up. With dishonesty we will always be down. Our repo in society will always be bad. With honesty, whether you have money or no matter. If you have honesty so you don't need to any money. And money will come to you. Be honest. I can challenge. What will we do with money? Will we eat money? We eat only food So God has managed already 3 times meals for us. God has made for us 3 times meals. So why to live in dishonesty? Is there any benefit? If you have a car, you can see my videos. I have made more than 200 videos. But I don't have even a 1K subscriber. So what's problem? I am doing my deeds. I know somewhere down the line I will succeed. If I don't succeed no matter. I will give my level best. That's called life. But I will work with honesty. I will work with discipline. I will help the people and I will never tell a lie. These are my some principles which I will follow till my end. Because these are also principle of God. So I am son of God. Okay guys. So in your life, remember one thing, you can't change your future, but you can change your habits. That's it for today. Jai Hind. Hey guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because in this video, we will discuss about a very fantastic topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at. You can't change your future, but change your habits. Then guys, today's topic is one of the best topics which I am going to tell you. You know, this thought is life-changing thought. If you want to change your life from bad to good, if you want to become a successful person, or if you want to become a positive person, and if you want to become very knowledgeable guy, then you should watch this video. Because this, many person think about their future. And starting from the starting, as we know, so many people think about their future. They think how will we succeed in future, how will we gain prosperity in future, how will we get good life in future. They also think how can we get luxurious life in future. Don't they? You must have observed yourself. You must have meet a lot of people who keep on thinking like this. What they want, they keep on thinking about their future. They think we need everything in our future. It is their fault. And it is also our fault. We cannot change our future. But what we can change our habits. Because your habits make your future automatically. Don't think about your future. Think about your habits. If you can change your habits, then I can guarantee you your future must be brighter. Don't think about future, think and observe about your habits. So what should be the habits? First of all, our habit must be speaking the truth. What should be the first habit for become successful? What should be the first habit for become brilliant? What should be the first habit for become intelligent? First of all, we should speak the truth. It means we all should be truthful. If you are truthful, then I can guarantee you nobody can hold you back from your success. It is the first habit we must apply in ourselves. We should determine that we will never tell a lie. We will always speak the truth. It is the best habit. So many successful people have adopted this habit. Don't you believe? You can see every successful man biography. You can find they always say speak the truth. Whether you are in trouble or in comfort, always speak the truth. What happens? In trouble, many person tell a lie. That make them behind. Telling a lie is one of the bad habit. So we should never tell a lie. We should always speak the truth. So I know you are truthful guy. I know you all are truthful guy, but we should have habit of speaking the truth. It is the first habit which we should adopt. We can have example of our deities. Deities, it means god and goddess. When we see any religious program, you must have seen like the Bhagavad Gita. You must have watched the program based on the Bhagavad Gita or the Quran or the Ramayana. So what is the basic thing of all the religious program? They teach us to speak the truth. Why? Because it is the first etiquette which we must have. We must acquire. So what is the first habit? First habit should be speaking the truth. And there is no any problem to speak the truth. Suppose if I tell a lie, I have two options. I have two options in my life. First is telling a lie, and the second is speaking the truth. If I tell a lie, then I will survive. If I don't tell a lie, then I also survive. So what is the best? If I tell a lie, I will not die. If I speak the truth, I will not die. So what is the difference? If I speak the truth, internally I will be strong. And if I tell a lie, internally I will be weak. Are you getting? So speaking the truth makes us strong, energetic. Everything you can do. God is also exist in truth. God is, I am telling the most powerful statement. God is also exist in truth. So we should always speak the truth. It should be our first and foremost habit. Next is honesty. What is the next habit which will make you successful, which can make successful in everybody? That is honesty. If you are an honest guy, you will never get upset in your life. It may get a little bit late. Success may get little bit late, but success will come to you automatically if you are an honest guy. So what should be our second habit? Our second habit must be honesty. Because as we all know, the most popular proverb, what is that? Honesty is the best quality. As we know, honesty is the best quality. Why? Why? Someone who is the most scholar who has met this. Honesty is the best quality and policy. Honesty is the best and policy. So, with the help of honesty, we can gain internal satisfaction. What is the magic of honesty? Internally, we feel very powerful and satisfactory. So, if we live with honesty, so that's very nice way to survive. There are two kinds of person. One who live with honesty, and the second who live with dishonesty. You can find dishonest person are richer than honest person. I agree, sir. You must be thinking. You can tell me, sir. We find a lot of people who are dishonest, yet they are very rich. Yes, I agree with you. They are rich, but they will somewhere down the line they will fail in their life, and they will have to repent. With dishonesty, you are thinking many leaders. You must have seen many leaders who won the election. After winning the election, they start living with dishonesty. But no matter, let them do their deeds. Somewhere down the line, they will have to pay of their bad deeds. Dishonesty always makes us down. Don't think with the help of dishonesty we can up. We can never be up. With dishonesty, we will always be down. Our repo in society will always be bad. With honesty, whether you have money or no matter. If you have honesty, so you don't need to any money. And money will come to you. Be honest. I can challenge. What will we do with money? Will we eat money? We eat only food now. So God has managed already 3 times meals for us. God has made for us 3 times meals. So why to live in dishonesty? Is there any benefit? If you have a car, bungalow and a luxurious life with dishonesty, no use of this. You have to pay and you will have to repent in future. So what is the second habit? Honesty. And third habit is helping to needy people. What is the third best habit? We must help needy people and poor people, because being a human, it's a humanity. We all are human, so we should follow humanity. We should help the needy and poor people, because they need someone who can help them, and you can be God for them. We can, among of us can be God for them. If we feed any hungry man, he gives us a lot of blessings. When we feed a hungry man, he blesses for us. When we help any handicapped, they also bless for us. When we help any poor guy, if we give him some money, any poor guy who needs money, and if we give them, so he blesses for us. And blessing is everything. If you think money is everything, it's your misconception. Blessing is everything. Apart from blessing in Kali Yuga, nothing is important. Apart from blessing, whatever you earn, everything is best. At the end, you will also feel. At this time, you must be thinking, sir is speaking something bad. He is like, I am looking like a psycho. You must be thinking that sir is only giving the speech. He wants to become a big YouTuber. He wants to become a big Instagrammer. It is not so. You can see my videos. I have made more than 200 videos. but I don't have even a 1K subscriber. So what's problem? I am doing my deeds. I know somewhere down the line I will succeed. If I don't succeed now, no matter, I will give my level best. That's called life. But I will work with honesty. I will work with discipline. I will help the people and I will never tell a lie. These are my some principles which I will follow till my end, because these are also principle of God. So I am son of God. Okay guys, so in your life remember one thing, you can't change your future but you can change your habits. That's it for today. Jai Hind.